Yeah.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruchi Srivastav. I'm owner of Vedi. Vedi is a natural beauty care products. I'm making my own self and I'm a member of Royal Fame Club और मैं since 3 years से वी के साथ भी हूँ एंड वी के साथ मेरा काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोडक्ट को मेरे अच्छा ग्रो मिल रहा है. मैंने काफ़ी इसमें काम किया है और काफ़ी फेम भी मिला है मुझे एंड फॉर थैंक यू.
So IFTM is Iconic Fashionista Top Model Contest. So this contest we have actually announced for all the aspiring ladies, men, women, everybody. So we have 3 categories. One is the regular category, that is 16 to 30 years. The second category is for open from 30 plus, and then we also have for men the similar categories this time. And there are not many girls and ladies, they really have lot of aspirations, they have dreams. बहुत सारी ऐसी ladies हैं जो जिन पे इतना पोटेंशियल है लेकिन वो घर पे रह रही है, वो लोग कुछ नहीं कर पाती है कुछ फैमिली की वजह से. लेकिन हम चाहते हैं कि उनको हम ये प्लेटफॉर्म दें और इस वजह से हमने ये IFTM को अनाउंस किया है.
And how did this idea came across your mind?
This is the reason that these ladies we felt that we have another group called Women Entrepreneurs Enclave. तो वो प्रॉपरली बिजनेस ग्रुप है लेकिन वहाँ पे बहुत सारे गर्ल्स और लेडीज़ हैं जिनको दे सिंगर्स, आर्टिस्ट, डांसर्स. तो उनको वो प्लेटफॉर्म उन्होंने बहुत बार मैडम ऐसा कुछ करो प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे वी कैन ऑल्सो एसोसिएट एज अ परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे, हम कुछ और करेंगे. तो हमने जब ये सोचा कि IFTM का भी हम लॉन्च करते हैं जहाँ पे इन लेडीज़ को हम ये प्लेटफॉर्म दे सकें.
And what are the events planned around the year related to IFTM?
So we have our today only we have actually auditions for kids, IFTM Kids. We also had IFTM Kids finale for IFTM Kids on 31st October, and we are already doing auditions on 31st October for the round for the adult, and the finale of grand finale will be in December 17 December we have planned as of now. And we have celebrities like Archana Kochar, who has already confirmed as a jury, who is a fashion designer. We also have Nandita Ompuri as a jury. We also have Simran Ahuja also as our anchor. They have already confirmed it.
I am Madhumita Ghosh. I am a member of Royal Femme Club. We all are women here, and basically we would like to work for women upliftment. I am a financial trainer cum coach. I was in corporate and now I train corporate level everything on finance. I feel women should be financially literate and financially independent, and they should be aware of everything. They should not get it managed by their husbands only. And because during Corona I found lot of cases where women were in a dire state, though they were earning, they didn't know where their husbands have invested. So you should share everything and be aware. So that is my biggest message. And for women, I would like you all to join this platform, and you will be able to be a self-reliant person so that you do not have to be dependent. You have to get empowered.
Hi everyone, I'm Meenu Verma, Mrs. India 2018. I'm director of IFTM. And today I'm here for the Royal Fame Club, which is launching today with Dr. Bharti Navekar, and I'm a member of the Royal Fame Club. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम सीमा सुमन है और मैं रॉयल फैम क्लब की मेंबर हूँ और मैं हैंड पेंटिंग मधुबनी आर्ट क्राफ्ट को उसका ये करती हूँ, प्रोडक्ट सेल करती हूँ. और मैं अपने गांव के वीवर जो उनके बनाए हुए प्रोडक्ट को जितना से ज़्यादा विस्तार करना चाहती हूँ वो मैं करती हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच.
और लोग कैसे देना चाहेंगे?
मैं ये संदेश देना चाहती हूँ कि जब मैंने ये काम शुरू किया तो एक अच्छा नेटवर्क होना चाहिए. तो मैं अगर आप कुछ भी बिजनेस शुरू करें तो एक अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. उनसे ज़रूर जुड़े जिससे आपको अपने बिजनेस के लिए नेटवर्क ज़रूर मिले और आप अपने बिजनेस को अच्छे से ग्रो कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Hello everyone, I am Harsha Rochwani. I run my own travel company under the name of Hotline Tours and Travels. I also teach underprivileged kids during my free time. and I am a member of the Royal Feminine Club. It is a very big privilege for me to be a part of this group, as I am one of the youngest members here, and I am getting to meet a lot of independent and strong females here. So I would like to suggest all the females who are listening to me right now to come up and join us, because you'll get to explore yourselves a lot. And a message to all the young ladies: always think and dream big, because achieving goals, you need patience and you need to be consistent. We can't just rely on everyone. For us, we need to be independent. Thank you.
And about you and about that message you want to start your name first.
Yeah, my name is Ruchi Srivastava. I'm owner of Vedi. Vedi is a natural beauty care products. I'm making all my own self.
I am Madhumita Ghosh. I am a V member from beginning, and this platform has given me a lot of scope. I am basically in corporate for a long time, about 25 years, and now I am a corporate trainer. I am also a financial advisor, and you may also say that I also give individual financial coaching. So this platform has given me very good networking, and I would urge people to come and join us. You will get a lot of support from us, and we will take you to higher levels. Thank you.
And message to women.
Women should be financially free, not only earning, but they should know how to manage their funds, and they should be empowered. As of now, you should not keep everything to your husbands, that they will manage your funds, they will manage your... So you should be basically self-reliant on yourself. In Corona, I have seen a lot of people who have expired, and the women were, though they were earning, but they were not aware of so many things. So you must be aware of everything. Maybe you are not doing. Awareness is very important in every field.
Then about you and what message you want to give.
मैं बस कोई भी अगर आप बिजनेस शुरू कर
नाम शुरुआत कीजिए.
मेरा नाम सीमा सुमन है और मैं हैंड पेंटेड मधुबनी आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट को डील करती हूँ. ये मधुबनी आर्ट में मैं बेसिकली अपने वीवर जो गाँव के वीवर है उनके बनाए हुए प्रोडक्ट को मैं मुंबई जैसे बड़े शहर में वो ये विस्तार करती हूँ, और मुझे बहुत बेनिफिट हुआ, और इससे मेरे वीवर को भी बहुत फ़ायदा होता है. और
संदेश क्या देना चाहेंगे? और
मैं ये संदेश देना चाहती हूँ कि अगर आप कुछ काम शुरू करते हैं तो उसमें पेशेंस ज़रूर रखें. मतलब हम लोग सोचते हैं कि एक बार में नहीं, इससे आपको एक्सपीरियंस तो होता है, लेकिन धीरे धीरे आप जैसे जैसे अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करते हैं आप बहुत अच्छा आपको बेनिफिट मिलता है. थैंक यू सो मच.
मैम about you and message to women you want to give.
My name is Ruchi Srivastava. I'm owner of Vedi. So Vedi is a natural beauty care products. और मैं भी
Start from your name.
First of all, I would like to thank Kajal Rochwani ji, who is the founder of Royal Fame Club. This association, she had approached me for forming a group for ladies who she wanted to launch a platform where girls and ladies, they get to dance, they have to perform. There are a lot of artists, they want to give this stage, and also a lot of people who need to help each other. There are a lot of NGOs they wanted to help, so she thought let's collaborate. So I said definitely, and I would really like to thank her for giving me this opportunity to associate. We is Women Entrepreneurs Club, where we already have women entrepreneurs from all over India, and there are a lot of entrepreneurs who are into entertainment business. So they also said let's associate with somebody where they get the platform to meet the media industry or entertainment industry. So that's the reason we thought let's collaborate, and I would again thank Royal Fame Club for giving this opportunity.
Which upcoming events you have planned?
Lot of events we have planned. In fact, next month only we have another event, which an exhibition, and various other plans throughout the year. Like we will be doing lot of cultural programs, lot of puja and all those, and also lot of performance programs, musical night, musical concerts, everything we have planned. Thank you so much.
मेरा नाम काजल रोचवानी और मैं रॉयल फेमिंग क्लब की चेयरपर्सन हूँ. जो मैं रॉयल क्लब फेमिंग जो ग्रुप बनाई मैंने, उसमें मेरा एक ही मोटिवेट थी कि अभी भी है और इन फ्यूचर भी रहेंगे. जितना भी लेडीज़ है देखिए आज का तारीख में लेडीज़ का बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम्स है, जो घर पे उन लोग सफ़र करता है, बाहर भी सफ़र करता है, पैसे के लिए भी प्रॉब्लम है, उनको पैकिंग भी मतलब कोई इतना ज़्यादा देते भी नहीं है। तो मैं चाहती हूँ मतलब घर से कोई भी लेडीज़ कुछ भी प्रोडक्ट के लिए काम करे बा कुछ छोटा छोटा बिजनेस करे, उनको मैं एक प्लेटफॉर्म दूँ, ताकि मैं यहाँ का जो विधायक है वर्सोवा विधानसभा का MLA डॉक्टर भारती लवेकर का साथ में मैं 5 साल से जुड़ी हूँ। और मैम का छत्र छाया में मैंने इतना जरूर सीखा है, मैम ने बहुत हेल्प करता है लेडीज़ को, लेडीज़ बोलो जेंट्स बोलो किसी को, लेकिन लेडीज़ का ऊपर उनको बहुत ज़्यादा ही कुछ मतलब फेथ रहता है। तो वो चीज़ भी मुझे कुछ मतलब अंदर से मुझे जगी है यार, जो मैं भी कुछ करूँ, जो भी मैं इतना बड़ा एक MLA का साथ में 24 घंटे नहीं तो 12 घंटे तो रहती ही हूँ, तो क्यों ना मैं किसी को कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म दे पाऊँ। क्यों मैं अगर किसी का प्रॉब्लम लेके मैडम का साथ में आऊँ, जो मैडम इनका ये प्रॉब्लम है फिनेंशियल बोलो जो जो फील्ड में है, मैडम एनी टाइम बोलते काजल आप आओ, हम मैं उनको हेल्प करेंगे। तो मैं इसके लिए रॉयल फैमिली क्लब को एक ऑर्गेनाइज किया और उसमें चैतन्य जी जो है उन्होंने भी मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया। मतलब ये जो इवेंट है 15 दिन में उसने तैयार किया, संभव ही नहीं है इतना बड़ा इवेंट कोई 15 दिन में नहीं बना सकती है, लेकिन चैतन्य ने मुझे सपोर्ट किया। और रॉयल फैमिली ग्रुप लॉन्च करने के लिए मेरा एक बहुत अच्छा फ्रेंड है जिसका नाम गुना चौधरी है। लास्ट ईयर दिवाली का दिन रात में दोनों का बात हुई, हम लोग अचानक से ये ग्रुप बनाया और हम लोग ने सोचा हम लोग ये काम चालू करें। तो उसके बाद मैं आज मेरा ये मौका मिला आप लोगों का सामने, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मैं आप सबसे सबका आभारी हूँ, जो मेरा दिल का अरमान मतलब मैं जो सोची हूँ 5 साल से वो आज मैं लॉन्च कर पाऊँ। थैंक यू।
Hello everybody, this is Seema Babani and I'm an image consultant. Image consultant in the sense like I help you how to dress up with your makeup, perfect makeup, your hairstyle, with the colors, which your favorite colors, which goes with your body type, and with that, yes, and etiquette sessions also I do. I'm an etiquette educator also. So all put together, appearance is formed and a presentable performance also you can do with this presentable appearance of yours. Thank you.
Please share a few words about Chaitanya Secretary and Neelu Verma.
Chaitali ji, I have been associated with her, I think it's like 5 or 6 years from the year she started, and it's a wonderful experience that I'm sharing with her right now, and I hope I continue doing because I see that she's helping a lot of women, and what I can say is more power to women. Thank you.
What about directors of IFPM?
Sorry?
Directors of IFPM.
Well, I can't say much about it because I don't have words. What I can say is I'm having a good time. The experience is something which I can cherish, and maybe later in life I can talk about it. So this is what I would like to say. Thank you.
My name is Sati and she is my mother Shivani, and she done the garments online, and stall we are giving stall in a Ganpati and Navaratri also, and this is the first time Chaitali madam and this Kajal madam she gave me opportunity to come and show the all in this program. So
What
really
type of products you are
like carpets and garments, all are cushion covers, and like bed sheets also, and carpets and many others. And like this, we show the cushion covers also, excitement. And this is the tablecloth also, and carpets also, and some other curtains also.
How does any customer will reach you if they want to buy your product?
No, some customers just came for our house and take it, and some others is an online show, online business, and other is we have our own office shop in Warsaw, but because of lockdown we are only process the online.
And about the founder of Royal?
Yeah, because of Kajal Richwani madam and Chaitali madam, she has given me the opportunity first time, so I'm really thankful to you and Kajal ji. So let's see the house
Tell me,
experience.
let us know about how to reach you by online, or what is the online number, your telephone number?
No, we are having attached in a Just Dial and Olex and other online paper.
What is your online?
Shivani Zaveri Garments.
And your telephone number is?
9167 330529.
So, how am I associated to IFTM? I am a good family friend of Ms. Kajal Rochwani, who is the founder of Royal Femme Club. And yes, the contestants which are going to be there, I hope and I wish that those contestants perform well and they do amazing. And the deserving one will get a chance. Currently, I have no upcoming project as of now because currently my concentration is a bit more on my political career. But yes, there are plans of upcoming projects. And surely the deserving contestant will get the chance in the projects.
Projects, if you find them best.
Sorry?
Can you please share about your recent or upcoming projects?
My last project was a Marathi crime show for Colors Marathi, which was Maharashtra Jagte Raho. That was my last project up till now.
Thanks, sir. Thank you.
गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल, मेरा नाम मिल्की घोष है और मेरा बिजनेस का नाम है मिल्कीज़ हैंडलूम, जो हैंडलूम साड़ीज़ के साथ मैं डील करती हूँ। अभी जो मैंने साड़ी पहना वो मेरी ब्रांड का है और मेरे ब्रांड में आपको कॉटन सिल्क, जामदानी, लिनन एंड इस टाइप का बहुत सारा साड़ीज़ आपको मिलेगा। जो मैं लास्ट 2 ईयर्स से वीट के साथ जुड़ी थी, वीट के साथ जुड़ने से मेरा नेटवर्क बहुत अच्छा हुआ है और आज ऐसा मुकाम पे हम लोग आ गए कि रॉयल फेम क्लब के भी मैं मेम्बर हूँ। सो हम लोग कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं, तो हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हमारे ग्रुप में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लेडीज़ आए, सब लोग मिल के हम लोग अच्छा एक ग्रुप बनाए और अच्छा बिजनेस को नेटवर्क करें। सो मैं सभी लेडीज़ को हमारे ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करने के लिए मैं इन्वाइट करती हूँ और ज़रूर हमारे ग्रुप में ज्वाइन करेंगी। और कुछ भी नया आपको बिजनेस अगर स्टार्ट करना है तो उसके लिए जो भी हेल्प चाहिए हम आपको हेल्प करने के लिए तैयार हैं। थैंक यू।
Myself Sushmita Srivastava. I am owning a restaurant in Abbey Valley. I am a V member. So today's new group is starting. That the name of the club is Royal Femme Club. So I will invite all the ladies who want to explore themselves in culturally or in business. They are most welcome and join our group. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Meenu Verma, Mrs. India 2018 and Director of IFTM. So today we are doing the audition part for the kids as well as the adults one. Today for the kids it was a second round, which was the talent round, and now we will be having a kids general audition where maybe they are doing the introduction part as well as their walk.
Please share about you and your work. Start your introduction and then share about you.
Hi, I'm Leslie Tripathi. I'm an actress. I'm an author of a book called Because I'm a Girl, and I'm an influencer, blogger, anchor. I think lockdown has added many more feathers to my personality. I'm also a talk show host. So I'm here because I know Kajal Rochwani ji. She is the founder of Royal Femme, and I know Chaitali ji. She is the founder of Women's Entrepreneur Enclave. So it's a great opportunity to meet and greet, and I'm seeing all the amazing products that all the women entrepreneurs have put out here. So it feels great, and when I see them, मुझे लगता है कि मैं और क्या कर सकती हूँ दुनिया में जिससे लोगों का कुछ भला हो, because सबके products में there's such interesting stuff. So I'm vocal for local. I support the campaign that Indian government has started, Go Local for Be Vocal for Local. So that's what I'm doing here.
And how are you associated with Kajal Rochwani and Chaitali Chatterjee?
Kajal ji, I know Kajal ji from a very long time. हम मिलके काफ़ी social work करते हैं. So it's been an honor to work with Kajal ji, and she introduced me to Chaitali ji, and Chaitali ji has this amazing group of women का एक बहुत बड़ा network है. उनका group का नाम है WEE. So I have had the honor of meeting her also. So Kajal ji and Chaitali ji, they have women's groups, and उसमें बहुत members है, like thousands में, I think lakhs तो है ही. And who doesn't want to network? Networking is the in thing now. जितना हम लोगों को मिलेंगे तो उतना अच्छा है हमारे लिए. Thank you.
Fine. My name is Sushmita Srivastava. I am a owner of Global Chaska restaurant. It's in Abbey Valley. Global Chaska is all about traditional coming in a modern shape. We do, like, our theme is about village and all, and we have a cloud kitchen in Mumbai also. I'm very much glad to associated with this modeling event. I would like to invite all the ladies and men to come and associate with us, and you will get a great platform to explore. Thank you.
What is Global Cheska all about?
Global Cheska is all about a village theme restaurant, traditional come in a modernized way. That's it.
Hi, this is Maria Samuel. I'm the director of the company called Gulmarg Ski Academy. We are the first company in India reintroducing winter sports, especially skiing and snowboarding. We are associated with the Indian Olympic Association, and we are right here to build up athletes in the field of skiing.
How are you associated with IFTM? How are you associated with IFTM?
Well, it's through Chaitali, of course, and it's a wonderful platform for all the young talented girls, both boys too, to come forward, exhibit their looks, exhibit their expression, and of course fashion is the thing nowadays. So IFTM is definitely a must platform for all these aspiring people.
Thanks, ma'am.
आज रॉयल फिल्म क्लब ने जो प्रोग्राम रखा था, काजोल रोचवानी जी जिन्होंने ये प्रोग्राम अरेंज किया था, ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया था, बहुत ही अच्छे से अरेंज किया था। और यहाँ पे जो भी लेडीज़ है जिनका जो प्रोडक्ट है उसके लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म उन्होंने दिया। ये बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, क्योंकि लेडीज़ जो काम करती है उनको अगर प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाता है तो उनको बहुत सारी हेल्प हो जाती है। आज मैंने सारी प्लेटफॉर्म पे यहाँ पे जो लेडीज़ है जिनका जो भी प्रोडक्ट है उनको सारी चीज़ें उनकी सब समझ ली, उनसे बात की, उनके साथ में बात करने के बाद उनके प्रॉब्लम्स समझ लिए, और उनको ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म की बहुत ज़रूरत है जो आज काजोल जी ने यहाँ पे किया है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसे प्रोग्राम बार बार अरेंज किए जाए ताकि उनको इसके सहारे कुछ अच्छे से एक लाभ मिलेगा और विमेन आगे जाएगी, सक्षम हो जाएगी, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। सक्षमता और विमेन के बारे में सोचना ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। इसलिए मैं काजोल जी का अभिनंदन करती हूँ कि इन्होंने अच्छा कार्यक्रम यहाँ पे अरेंज किया है।
ये फाउंडर है, ये को फाउंडर है, और मैं हूँ दीपा नारायण। तो आप दोनों को साथ देने के लिए, हिम्मत हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए, एक नारी हो के नारी शक्ति को बांटने के लिए मैं यहाँ आई हूँ। आप उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब भी साथ देंगे, हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे, है ना। वुमेन पावर, नारी शक्ति जिंदाबाद। दैट डजंट मीन पुरुष शक्ति जिंदाबाद नहीं है, क्योंकि पुरुष नहीं तो फिर नारी अधूरी होती है, लेकिन अभी फिलहाल के लिए नारी शक्ति जिंदाबाद। नमस्कार। मैं यही बोलना चाहूँगी कि नारी शक्ति सबसे बड़ी शक्ति होती है ना। तो नारियों को अपनी शक्ति का अनुभव नहीं होता है, कभी दुखी ना हो, वो बहुत बड़ी शक्ति होती है। आत्मविश्वास अपने खुद में जगाना चाहिए, इच्छा शक्ति को बढ़ाना चाहिए और आगे बढ़ते रहना चाहिए। जो काम करती है करना चाहिए मन लगा के, तो आगे बढ़ेंगे और खुश रहेंगे ज़िंदगी में।
आज के दौर में सोच कितनी बदली है सोसाइटी में वुमेन्स को लेकर, उनके काम को लेकर, क्या करने से कितना फ्रीडम देते हैं लोग?
आप देखिए, पुराने ज़माने से तो बहुत आगे हम लोग बढ़ चुके हैं। हम लोग पर्दे में रहते थे, करेक्ट, पर्दा घूंघट होता था, पर्दे से बाहर आ गए, पढ़े लिखे। अभी वुमेन पायलट भी है, चलाती गाड़ी भी चलाती है, एरोप्लेन भी चलाती है, गाती भी है, डांस भी करती है। ये इन लोग को देखिए, सोशल भी करते हैं, सबकी मदद भी करते हैं। तो आगे तो बहुत बढ़ चुके हैं और बढ़ेंगे। उम्मीद करती हूँ और बढ़ते जाएंगे। क्यों? थैंक यू।
This is a wonderful occasion about the ladies, and Kajal ji is always promoting women empowerment, and so this is a beautiful arrangement where all the ladies can get together and showcase their stuff. And I think we need to actually stand up for ladies and women empowerment, and when this kind of organizations is doing such work, I'm very proud and very happy to be associated. Today I think this is a right opportunity to be here to promote this occasion, because in this very difficult time right now during this COVID and everything, so this kind of occasion actually will lift up the spirits of everyone. And I believe that we have to come back to normal also. So I think this arrangement is fantastic, and today there are a lot of women who are here who are trying to make a point and who are trying to do things with their own abilities. So I'm always there to support.
And what message you want to give to women, basically, I mean, through this media message?
I just want to say that whatever be it, we can't lose courage, we can't lose hope, we can't lose our spirits. So women are always strong and powerful. So they have to know from within themselves that they are very strong and they can do whatever they want.
And lastly, ma'am, what's going on professional front? Any projects you're working on?
Yeah, right now I'm working for Veena Bakshi's film Ittar. Shoot is going on in Mumbai, and also I've just completed Basuri with Hari Vishwanathan, where Anurag Kashyap has also acted in the film, and another 2-3 projects are ready, and of course my Bengali films are there. So looking forward for a good career in Mumbai.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you.
Associated with Royal Fame Club.
रॉयल फेम क्लब मेरे बहुत ही क्लोज़ अज़ीज़ दोस्त है उनका जो बेटा है वो इस फेम क्लब से एसोसिएटेड है। तो जब उन्होंने मुझे इसके बारे में बताया कि यहाँ आज ऐसे ये फंक्शन हो रहा है एंड टू मोटिवेट विमेन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए वगैरह, सो इसलिए मैं यहाँ आया हूँ।
सर, औरतों को क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे अपनी तरफ से आपके जो
मैं क्या संदेश दूँ भाई, मैं खुद औरतों से संदेश लेता रहता हूँ। तो सब जानते हैं कि मेरी कामयाबी के पीछे औरतों का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है। तो मैं खुद आज यहाँ से कुछ संदेश ले जाऊँगा।
सर, अभी जो हाल फिलहाल में जो प्रोजेक्ट आपका आया है या हाल ही में आने वाला है उसके बारे में बताइए।
मेरा अभी जी कॉमेडी शो ऑन है जी टीवी पर सैटरडे संडे। 2 फीचर फिल्म है जो स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, एक वेब सीरीज़ है। सो एक बार वो रोलिंग स्टार्ट हो जाए तो ऐसे तो हम 50 प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे होते, लेकिन जब तक फ्लोर पे नहीं जाता और स्टार्ट नहीं हो जाता तो बोलना मुनासिब नहीं है। थैंक यू सर।
See, basically my son Animesh is associated with this club, and he told me what this club is doing for the women, and he said that you should also come to this function and encourage our people. So I said, it's the best opportunity for me to come and see what this club is doing.
And what message you want to give to women?
See, basically, to give a message to a woman, right now in today's world, women are so strong that it's not good for me to give them a message. But I think whatever they are doing right now, they should continue with the full force.
Could you please share some words about Royal Fame Club Kajal Rojwani ji?
Oh. Do you want about her work or?
About his personal work.
So basically, I adore that lady because in this kind of an environment, she is doing such a good job, and it's very good for some lady to take a initiative and do something for the women, and found this kind of a club. That is very good about that lady. So I give her best of luck.
And can you share please about the recent or any upcoming projects?
See, recently we are doing a series called Crime Patrol on Sony Television, and we are doing so much regional serial also. We will be doing a web series on one of the India's very famous case, but that I can't disclose that, but that will be the future project. Thank you very much.
So, sports nutrition and pre-nutrition specialist. So, please suggest tips to have healthy bones to women especially.
So, healthy bones for women is a very vast topic, but I believe a lot of lifestyle-related things need to be corrected in a lot of women who don't have a good lifestyle. Must begin with having an adequate weight. So, if they are obese, they must reduce their weight. That is extra weight being carried by their bones, so that leads to a lot of weakness and breakages. Having a healthy diet, again, is the second thing which I suppose everybody must advocate. A healthy lifestyle always includes a lot of good exercises, good gymnastic exercises or weight training if required. Having good sleep, having good rest, having a peaceful mind, all contributes together for having good bones and good bone health, not just in women but men, but yes, especially in women.
Please share some words about Kajal Rochwani ji, founder of Royal.
Kajal Rochwani ji, yes, a very kind lady. I suppose what we all have noticed today is that she has brought about a good movement for a lot of women. A lot of empowerment is happening for all these women, and I'm glad that someone has taken the initiative. I wish her all the luck and all the more power. Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Krish. I'm 15 years old. My company's name is Mehman Gifting Solution with a Twist. I started this company 2 years ago when I was 13 years old. Earlier, we made a lot of eco-friendly products such as copperware, also plants. We included a lot of plants, and I want to really thank Chaitali ma'am for giving such a wonderful venture to me, because it's only because of her I've made it through so far. And our company does not only support local vendors, but it also supports women's sanitary napkins and many other drives that Chaitali ma'am has done with us in these.
Please share few words about Chaitali ma'am.
Okay. So Chaitali ma'am has been there from the start. When I started my venture, from the start till today, she has always supported me. It is only because of her that I have made it so far and I've grown so big. So thank you, Chaitali ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Women I would like to give is what, see, women is the power, right? So women, believe in yourself. You can change the world because the world belongs to you. So accept it. You can do the best. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Jyoti Agarwal. So I am the founder of Jyoti Zever. Jyoti Zever is the manufacturing company of diamond jewelry. So I created this brand Jyoti Zever in the year 2017. The main aim of Jyoti Zever is to reach out to each and every individual to make them afford buying diamond jewelry. Being a manufacturer, cutting down all the middlemen expenses, we are making it possible and making it affordable to all the women, to all the individuals. I would like to highlight few of the specialties, like we are more into customized jewelries, then multi-purpose jewelries. You can wear all the jewelries in different manners. It's been almost 11 years I am into this industry, and I created this brand since last 5 years.
And what message do you want to give to women?
For women, I would like to tell them that it's a very challenging time, which is started almost, it's been 18 months, and everybody has to change their perspective, to change their business completely, to the digital platform, and they, with full positivity, they take up that initiative. Even me also managed this, the business. I shifted from the general scenario to the digital platform, which is really a very challenging situation for a woman, and somehow they faced it very positively. And today now what we are seeing, that every woman is wanting to go with their businesses, to work with their full potential, which is a very good thing in India, and they are showing their talents, and every woman is doing work nowadays, so which is very good in our country. So I would like to tell everyone to keep it up, and all the best for each and every woman.
Introduction and what we do to support Royal Pen Club.
Yes. Hi friends, this is Namrata Thakkar, founder of Entrepreneur Excel, world's biggest entrepreneur community with more than 70,000 entrepreneurs across India and globally. So friends, the reason I'm here to support Kajal and Chaitali is that the way women support women, like I've been attending Chaitali's in meetings since last 3 years, and you see how many women are there who have empowered, who have grown 10x just because of support of Chaitali. And Kajal, the way she's selflessly going buildings to building societies and you know, the way that she's been supporting each and every member. I've been observing both of them quite long. So when two energy comes together, the powerful one, I'm sure they are going to rock. So I'm going to start this journey with them and we'll rock forever. Thank you.
What message do you want to give to women?
So my message to women is that please make sure that we all are there for each other, and whatever everyone does, let's grow together, because we have seen that women are there who are pulling women's leg, which we have seen around, and women are only there, they are there to disturb each other. Let us remove that from our life and support each other and be there and make world a better place to live.
How do you associate with Kajal Rishwani, founder of Royal Fame Club, and if few words about the event and about management by Chaitali Chatterjee, co-founder of Royal Fame Club?
So Chaitali's management speaks a lot about her experience. I never knew that she was a part of business world before, but as I told you, last 3 years continuously I've been attending her event, and the way, whether it is stalls, whether it is chief guests, whether it is speeches or entries, everything is so systematic, bang on. Even if I want to remove one flaw, I cannot remove, which you can see today also. No one can tell that today is the launch and the first event. Like, everything is so well organized, and see the crowd. Like, and she did everything just in 10 days. She announced the event before 10 days, and today you see how many people have come here to support. So that's the power of Chaitali.
So I'm from the insurance industry. My name is Naveen, and I think I'm here to help and support entrepreneurs who are looking forward doing something on their own. I'm from the insurance industry, and I feel there is a lot of scope for entrepreneurs who want to come and want to start and build something. So I'm here to make them understand what the industry is all about and what the opportunity is there, and we see how do they get associated.
And today you have come with business opportunity for women that help them to independent and financially free. What do you say about that?
So, as I said, that the industry is very big and it leads entrepreneurs, and luckily awareness in our country also is very, very low, and it has to go. Now, if the awareness has to go, naturally you need entrepreneurs who can come over here and educate people. Today, the opportunity is all about that, the kind of earning what you can make, the career what they can build, and what they can give to the society. So that's what I'm going to talk inside.
Please share few words about Chaitali Chatterjee and how you have been associated for your events.
Chaitali, I have been associated for the last 2.5, 3 years, and I think one thing which I really liked about it, that she has always been helping entrepreneurs who are trying to be independent, want to start something of their own, and I think somewhere that what she's trying to do associate me also with her, and I look forward helping entrepreneurs.
And what are your future plans to work with Royal Fame Club?
I think it will be too early to say, but I have started interacting with some of the members, and as I said, that industry has a huge opportunity. So I look at individuals who are looking forward to take some steps towards the industry and want to build something here. We will stand for them and we'll support them. Thank you.
आज हम यहाँ पे आए हैं रॉयल फिल्म क्लब का जो इनॉग्रेशन है उसके लिए। काजल जी, बहुत बहुत आपको कंग्रेचुलेशंस। आप तो पहले से ही समाज सेवा मूलक काम कर रहे हैं और इस बहाने और ज़्यादा आप लोगों तक पहुँचे, मेरी आपसे दिली ये तमन्ना है मेरी। थैंक यू।
What message you want to give to women? क्या message देना चाहते हैं women को?
See, this is what I can say is an woman empowerment stage. तो हर नारी को आगे आके समाज में अपना जो भी करना है, बोलना है, वो करना चाहिए। और ये रॉयल फेम क्लब जो है, और भी ये मौका दे रहे हैं सारी औरतों को। Congratulations to them. Thank you so much.
And can you please share about your recent project or your project you are working in?
Yeah. So right now I'm working on 2 of my singles. कंपनी का नाम शेयर नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि फाइनलाइज नहीं हुआ है, और फिल्मों के लिए तो काम कर रहे हैं, पर एज यू नो कोरोना की वजह से बहुत सारी फिल्म पोस्टपोन हुई थी, तो अभी तक वो डेट नहीं शेयर कर सकते। पर स्टे ट्यून्ड, कमिंग अप विद समथिंग एक्साइटिंग, प्लीज सपोर्ट मी। नमस्ते, मैं हूँ लीना बोस। थैंक यू।
Madam, can you sing one line of your concert?
Yeah. जो दर्द को सुकून दे, वो दर्द तुमसे मिलता है। ऐ दिल जरा इतना बता, क्यों इश्क तुमसे होता है। सांसों को अब जीना
दीपा नारायण झा का प्यार भरा नमस्कार। आज मैं यहाँ आई हूँ काजल जी के लिए। ये बहुत बड़ी सोशल वर्कर है, उनका साथ देना मेरा कर्तव्य है एज इंडियन सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया। तो मैं उनका साथ देना चाहती हूँ। काजल जी, ऑल द बेस्ट। आपका ये रॉयल फ्लेम क्लब है, उसके लिए भी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। आगे बढ़े, लोगों का सेवा करते रहे, अच्छा हो जाए सबका, है ना, हम सब खुश रहे, ये हमारी कामना है। इसी कामना के साथ, धारणा के साथ मैं आज यहाँ आई हूँ। आप सबका नमस्कार करती हूँ आप सबको।
Basically, we are here to promote our Organic India Tulsi Green Tea. Company belongs to Lucknow. Our factory is in Lucknow and our corporate office is in Delhi. And we are in the market since 1999. And we have a base of Tulsi infusion tea, and the total Tulsi tea category range is with us around 22 type of Tulsi green tea. Like that, our base is Tulsi original, Tulsi classic green tea, Tulsi lemon ginger, Tulsi ginger turmeric, Tulsi muleti, pomegranate. It's a different type of teas, and we are the first company who introduced organic Tulsi tea in the market, in Indian market, and our presence is all across the country, across 48 countries in the world. And apart from that, we are also in the organic herb supplements like ashwagandha, turmeric formula, shatabdi and blah blah product. And apart from that, we are having some processed food also, like organic ghee, apple cider vinegar, virgin coconut oil, mustard oil. And just this month only, the 14th of September, we are introduced our Organic India, you can say that grocery range, commodity range like pulses, rice, red rice, black rice and spices. And thank you.
Okay, hi, I am Sneha Shah from Skippa, Snehkala Kendra Institute of Performing Dance. I have my own dance academy where I train students of aging 3 years to 85 years old. I have done almost 200 stage shows, choreographed 200 stage shows and many Sangeet events. And I'm the only choreographer in India right now to take senior citizens to all TV shows, starting from Star Plus to Z to Sony TV to Big Magic to Z TV. And they have performed in front of all celebrities, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan, Mr. Sonu Sood, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone and Geeta Kapoor, Ritesh Deshmukh, etc., etc., etc. The list is really long. For them, I should say that वो लोग old है, they are old but they are not retired, they are not tired. So that motivates me more to bring them, to train them. And here today especially I brought a performance at the VEE event of senior citizen to motivate that we as a woman, we never get tired at any age. We keep on working, we keep on doing our best for the society till our last. So that's...
So how do you get associated to Royal Family Club, and what is our team presenting today?
Royal Family Club, I know Chaitali the day she launched Woman Entrepreneur Enclave. So I know her and she's very hardworking and she's like a boat in which she carries everyone. She doesn't only move all alone, she carries everyone. And now I wish her all the best for the Royal Family Club which she's launched today. Today we are going to, about our performance, we are going to perform two dances. One is we are going to do devotional song. Navratri is just round the corner, so we are going to do something related to Ambe Mata, and one Bollywood number which is our forte. So keep watching. We won't disclose more. Let it be a surprise for the audience.
I've been associated with the Royal Femme Club through Chaitali, through V. So that is my association. I'm basically with Chaitali's V and been supporting V for a very long time. And anything similar, like whether it's Royal Femme Club or women entrepreneurs, I think it's almost same thing.
Can you share some words about your authored book you have written?
Well, I've written a few books. Among them is my latest book called Jennifer, which is on child trafficking and international child trafficking and inter-country adoption. In fact, today morning I had a read for Wiki National Council today in the morning, and my other books are Unlikely Hero Om Puri, which is the biography of the late Om Puri, and I've got my collection of short stories, 9 on 9, and others, novels and stuff like that.
What do you say about Chaitali ji, who is the founder of
So Chaitali is, I've known her through V. I've known her when she started V and then the Royal Femme Club. And it's nice because the Om Puri Foundation, the foundation which I run, we kind of associate with Chaitali. And anybody who is doing good work.
Any message you want to
To Royal Femme Club? Oh, fantastic. Just rock on. We are there with you. And there we have Manjula ji right there. And she's doing wonderful work with the weavers, Vaitarna. And Om Puri Foundation also collaborates with any NGOs who are doing wonderful work. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sumita Priya from Bharuch, Gujarat. I am the women entrepreneur from my foundation is Mohan Enterprises, under which comes a hygienic product like sanitary napkin, panty liner and adult diaper, etc. And sanitary napkin actually is my main product, and its brand name is Buffy. It's very hygienic, and everyone can use it. Every woman should use this product, as I think it's the best quality I've ever seen used in my life. That's it.
And message to women you want to give?
Message, I can say, women should use napkins. It's hygienic and उन्हें use करना चाहिए. As many women in India, अभी भी they don't use sanitary napkins. They use clothes and all. They should not use it. They should think of their own self, their खुद की health. They should think of their health also. They don't think in many rural and even in urban areas, many women don't use. Abhi bhi many women in urban areas also don't use napkins and all. I must say कि उन्हें use करना चाहिए. They should think first of their health.
Everybody, thank you so much for coming in. मैं ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लूँगी, फटाफट मैं थैंक यू बोलूँगी आप सबको. मैडम भारती जी, आप थैंक यू सो मच. आपका ब्लेसिंग्स हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है रॉयल फेम क्लब के लिए. और हमने मैं रूना को थैंक यू बोलूँगी जिसने एसोसिएट करवाया है, एंड ऑफकोर्स काजल जी, मतलब जिन्होंने मुझे ये प्लेटफॉर्म दिया है, मुझे ये स्टेज दिया है, उन्होंने मुझ पर ट्रस्ट किया है कि ये इवेंट तुम करो. हमने कोशिश किया है 15 दिन में जितना हम कर सकते थे हम कर पाए. अगर कोई त्रुटि हो तो प्लीज़ हमें माफ़ कर दीजिएगा, ठीक है. एंड दिस रॉयल फेम क्लब हैज़ कम विद एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू ऑल द लेडीज़ जो बिजनेस में हैं, जो लोग गाना गाना चाहते हैं, सिंगर्स, परफॉर्मर्स, उन सबके लिए ये क्लब बना हुआ है. एंड सेकेंडली मेरा एक जो ग्रुप है वीक वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एनक्लेव, हम लोग 8,200 मेंबर्स को ऑल ओवर इंडिया में सपोर्ट करते हैं. और हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया है, मैंने और काजल जी, कि हम कोलैबोरेट करके चीज़ों को आगे बढ़ाना है. दिस इज़ द वर्ल्ड ऑफ कोलैबोरेशन. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी. थैंक्स अ लॉट.